Hi, my name is Sharif with Lincoln Electric Automation, and today I'm going to give you a brief overview of our floor-mounted welding positioners. Our floor-mounted positioners come in two distinct styles: fixed height, where your centerline rotation is going to remain constant relative to the floor, and manually height adjustable versions, where through two locating pins and two crane hooks near the top of the unit, you can adjust the rotational height of your unit. Our floor-mounted positioners are standard two-axis tilt-rotate positioners, where you can rotate your workpiece at your desired speed, and as well, you can tilt your unit up and down based on your operator's welding needs. As a standard configuration, the controls are mounted on the back of the positioner. However, a popular option with a lot of our customers is the freestanding remote console. On your remote console, you can control your rotation direction, your rotation speed, your tilt up and tilt down, as well as your rotation mode, where it can be off, foot switch, where it's actuated through an optional foot switch, or automatic, where it'll continuously rotate or be integrated to an automatic welding system, such as a Pantheon pipe or a Pantheon S manipulator. Finally, we offer optional 3-jaw chucks and grippers to handle your workpieces. These range from 6-inch chucks up to 60-inch grippers. We offer a variety of positioning equipment at Lincoln Electric Automation. If you'd like to get more information, please contact your local sales representative or visit us at www.lincolnelectric.com. And as always, thanks for watching.